What's up? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Yeah, this is Chef J. I'm at work today, but I just taking a little time just to let y'all know about some things. Gifts. Do not sleep on your gifts. That's what God have given you. Use it. A lot of people sit around their gifts and trying to wonder what they need to do in life, and it's already in you. Whether it's basketball, baseball, football, tennis, soccer, working on cars, being good salesmen, building things. If that's in you and it's truly in you and it's something that you enjoy doing with a passion, and what I mean by passion, it has to be here in your heart, do it. Do not settle for things that you do not enjoy doing in life, especially the gift that God has given you. Use it. And people say, oh, I can't do this, I can't make no money on this, I can't make no money on that. That's where you slip up. You weren't so much and focus so much on making the money part, and the money is going to come to you with the gifts that you have. And a lot of people don't even understand that. The gift that you got, man, the money is going to come right to you. You have to put effort in what you do. Push yourself more. Over the years, I had learned a lot. You got to push yourself more. A lot of people out here trying to make people happy. I did that. Done that. Trying to make people happy. But what about yourself? And I had to think about that. What about me? Also focus on making other people happy. But I wasn't even happy. I wasn't even happy at all. But I was putting a smile on other people's face. You need to work this, you need to work that, you need to work this, you need to work that. Yes, we need to provide for our family. Make sure everything is paid for, stuff like that. But also, the gift that God has given you, you can make it as well too. A lot of people focus on the wrong things. And when you do it, don't take the credit. You can't take all the credit. Because if it wasn't for God, you couldn't do what you do. You couldn't do the things that you do. That's why every time when I cook or I do a recipe and stuff like that, I allow people to know and let people know it came from God. Because if it wasn't for Him, I could never create the things that I create when it comes to cooking. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it at all. Putting all the flavors, the time, the patience, the love. I could not do it without Him. So I got to put Him first. I got to put Him first. I got to put God first, number one. Just by everything I do. Matter of fact, everything I do. Not just about, but everything I do. I got to put Him first. Because if I don't put Him first, we fail. We have to understand to put Him first. Do not sleep on your gifts that God has given you. It belongs to you. Don't worry about what people say, what people say behind your back, what they're thinking and stuff. Still push yourself to do what you need to do. And those same people that sit there and talk about you, what are they doing? What they're putting effort in? What are they pushing? And when do they do it? Do they have the passion? Do it come out with perfection? Man, I'm tell you something right now. A lot of people, until this day, they sit around and talk mad stuff about me, you know, but I keep on moving. Because I'm not doing it for them. I'm doing it for me and my family. Because when you're not happy in things that you truly want to do in life, the goals that you want to succeed, it's not good. Because it's going to make everybody around you, you're going to look at them different. We don't want that. So get off your butt and do the things that you do. I'm trying to tell you. Because, you know, when I cook, when I'm in that kitchen, it's a different thing. I'm in another world. I'm telling you right now, I'm in another world. Nothing can stop me when I'm in that kitchen. I sit there, put my mind focused on anything I need, all my surroundings that I need that's in the kitchen, all the tools, all the food, all the spices, all the herbs. It's like I'm in my world. And all the flavors combined. Bam, 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 bam. A lot of people over-season their food. I'll let you know right now. A lot of people over-season their food. A lot of people, when they cook, they over-season their food and expect, oh, everybody, oh, this is good, this is good. But what about the natural flavor of the food? Without the natural flavor of the food, you taste nothing but the season that you put on there. What about the meats? What about the vegetables and stuff like that? Where's the natural flavor? Because when you're overpowered with the season, how can they get the natural flavor of what they tasting? When I cook chicken, I want to taste a little bit of that chicken in there. When I cook beef, I want to taste a little bit of that beef. I want to cook fish, I want to taste a little bit of that fish. I want to eat my vegetables, I want to taste the natural flavor of the vegetables.